Hello guys, good morning, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Okay, for this video, ipapaalam mo sa inyo na ang ating website noon na ininvestan natin na Alsons Power Group ay hindi na ma-open guys. Okay, ang lumalabas ay bad gateway na. So ibig sabihin, hindi na natin guys makukuha yung mga amounts na ininvest natin sa platform na ito. Okay, now, what's new? Ano naman ang pakulo ng Alsons Power Group, guys? Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, ngayon guys, meron naman silang new platform, no? Na ang pangalan ay Ayala Platform. So, same process with the Alsons Power Group na pag-register natin. Okay, ganun din sa Ayala Platform. Okay, so tingnan natin guys, no? So paano mag-sign up dito? So click lang natin yung sign up and enter yung number na gusto natin i-register. Okay, and then password natin. Okay, and then register now. Mayroong verification code na isi-send sa ating mobile number for confirmation. Okay, send. Okay, next, register now. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay, so click register now. Okay, wait natin guys, baka mali yung ating code. Okay. Okay, register now. Okay, so enter lang natin guys yung mobile number na ating register. Okay, and ang password natin. Okay, guys, so mayroon silang verification code. Okay, na isi-send sa ating register number. And then, gawa tayo ng ating trade password. Okay, so ang trade password guys is different from your login password. Okay, so ito guys ang dashboard ng Ayala. Okay, kung makikita nyo, same siya sa Alsons Power Group na dashboard, no? So, click natin yung My Order. So, wala pa. Okay. So, punta tayo guys sa Invest. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo guys, meron silang mga product, no? Energy. Okay, ang number of days na ma-earn mo is up to 37 days. Ang yung 500 pesos after 37 days will become 5994. Okay, so same process siya guys. Okay, so kung gusto mo mag-invest, click mo lang yung invest now. And buy now, no, if you are interested. So punta tayo guys sa time limited kung meron din sila. Okay, so same pa rin yung lumalabas, no, matanan ang lahat na VIP. Ito guys, no, sa daily energy E+1, so kung hindi ka pa VIP, hindi ka dito makaka-invest. Okay, so first, you have to invest muna sa long term, no? In order to invest also sa mga short term na income nila. Okay, so guys, no, ito lang ang aking ipakita sa inyo or I mean, ipinapakita ko ito sa inyo dahil gusto ko maging aware kayo na yung I think this Ayala platform is good only, hopefully at first, on the first 10 days, I think income generating ito, pero after 11 days or after 10 days onwards, hindi na ito mapagkakatiwalaan. So, it's up to you kung gusto mong mag-invest dito, pero yung advice ko, hindi na kayo mag-stay or ma-invest pa after 11 days or after 10 days, kasi I think this will also become what Alson's power group status right now. Okay, so this video is for awareness lang. If you are interested, you will take the risk to invest, and if you are not a risk taker, so better not to invest in this platform. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and keep safe always. Bye bye.